Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sushi Bazooka is probably one of the most revolutionary kitchen gadgets for anyone who loves sushi but dreads the intricate rolling process, transforming the intimidating art of sushi making into a fun, effortless, and surprisingly quick culinary adventure right in your own home, allowing you to create perfectly uniform rolls with minimal fuss and maximum enjoyment, making homemade sushi accessible to even the most novice chefs. Number 5. Delamu 20-in-1 Sushi Making Kit. Whether you're a beginner or a sushi enthusiast, this kit has everything you need. It allows you to craft classic rolls, tamaki, nigiri, or gunkan with ease. This comprehensive kit includes all the essential tools for effortless sushi preparation. From bamboo mats to a bazooka roller and a chef's knife, it makes sushi making fun. No experience? No problem. The included guidebook walks you through every step. You'll learn rice preparation, rolling techniques, and even 6 sample recipes. Crafted from food-safe, BPA-free materials, this kit ensures a healthy cooking experience. Its eco-friendly bamboo mats and all tools are designed for easy cleaning and durability. Turn sushi making into a delightful family activity. It's a wonderful way to bond, teach children new skills, and create lasting memories together. Save money by making delicious, restaurant-quality sushi in your own kitchen. This all-in-one kit empowers you to enjoy homemade sushi with confidence. What we like? This kit is an all-in-one solution for any sushi lover, offering a wide array of tools for various sushi styles. It includes everything from bamboo mats to a chef's knife and a detailed guidebook, making sushi preparation effortless. If you are a beginner looking for a complete package to explore different sushi types, this comprehensive kit is perfect for you. What people say. Number 4. IMPRESA Musubi Maker Kit. Experience the delight of making authentic Hawaiian musubi right in your kitchen. This kit provides 2 makers, making it simple to create fresh sushi rolls and onigiri with ease. Elevate your culinary skills with this versatile press mold. It allows you to craft exquisite onigiri, kimbap, and sekire, opening up endless opportunities to explore Japanese cuisine at home. Its non-stick surface ensures effortless rice shaping and release every time. This user-friendly design simplifies the entire sushi making process, leading to quick and delicious results. Crafted from robust materials, it's designed for repeated use while maintaining its quality. Its durability ensures it will be a reliable kitchen staple for all your culinary adventures. Keeping it in pristine condition is incredibly simple. Just hand wash it with warm soapy water and towel dry, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliable use. What we like? This specialized kit excels at crafting authentic Hawaiian musubi and versatile onigiri. Its non-stick design ensures effortless shaping and release, simplifying the process for perfect results every time. If you specifically love musubi or onigiri and want a durable, easy-to-use tool for these specific treats, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 3. ISSEVE Sushi Making Kit. Crafted from top-quality natural bamboo, this kit ensures durability and a smooth experience. You'll find no splinters or unraveling, guaranteeing a premium feel every time. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this kit makes rolling sushi incredibly easy. You'll have everything you need to create delicious snacks in just minutes. Enjoy the process of making new foods right at home with your family. Practice using the included detailed chopsticks and create memorable culinary experiences together. All components are made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic, ensuring they are safe and healthy for your family. Make your own tasty sushi at home and save money compared to expensive restaurants. This comprehensive kit includes a sushi bazooka, bamboo mats, chopsticks, a paddle, spreader, and a sushi knife. It truly has everything you need to start making sushi in just a couple of minutes. What we like? Crafted from high-quality natural bamboo and food-grade, BPA-free plastic, this kit ensures a healthy and worry-free experience. It makes rolling sushi incredibly easy, perfect for anyone from beginners to experienced chefs. If you prioritize durable, safe materials and want to enjoy making healthy, homemade sushi quickly, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. No positive reviews could be extracted from the provided empty source. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 2. URED Sushi Making Kit, Bazooka Roller. Simply open it, load with rice and your favorite ingredients, then close and squeeze. This innovative roller makes perfect sushi rolls in just 3 minutes, even for absolute beginners. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, it ensures worry-free use. Its reinforced hinges and heavy-duty plunger are built for long-term durability, making it a lasting addition to your kitchen. Transform your home gatherings into interactive social experiences. This tool turns cooking into a fun, hands-on activity, creating lasting memories with friends and family. Impress your guests with professional-looking rolls. It's fully detachable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless after a busy evening. Its compact design ensures easy storage, and its portability makes it great for picnics or friends' houses. Backed by URED's expertise, it guarantees a secure and high-end experience. Each unit arrives in a sleek gift box, making it a polished and ready-to-give present for any kitchen gadget collector. This essential kitchen tool supports healthy meal prep and diverse diets. You can create traditional salmon rolls or explore keto-friendly cauliflower rice sushi alternatives with ease. What we like? This bazooka roller promises professional-looking sushi in just 3 minutes, eliminating the traditional learning curve. It's fully detachable and dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup after your sushi making fun. If you want quick, consistent results, appreciate easy maintenance, and enjoy interactive cooking for parties, this tool is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Delamu 22-in-1 Sushi Making Kit. This 22-piece kit is perfect for beginners, making sushi fun and stress-free. It includes a rolling tube, bamboo mats, and various molds, all designed for simple, ergonomic use. You and your loved ones can easily create delicious sushi rolls. This upgraded 22-piece kit provides everything you need for delicious sushi. It includes a roller, mats, various makers, knives, chopsticks, and more. With all these tools, you'll find making sushi easy, fun, and delightful. Our detailed manual makes using these tools a breeze. Learn to prepare rice, roll sushi, and explore 6 sample recipes. This guide helps you confidently master expert sushi making methods at home. This kit is made with high-quality materials, ensuring your safety and satisfaction. The natural bamboo mats are held with cotton strings, and the molds have thick hinges for durability. Its upgraded chef's knife is extra sharp with a non-stick coating for smooth cutting. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit helps you make delicious, professional-looking sushi. Follow its handbook to create fresh nigiri, onigiri, or musubi rolls. These are perfect for surprising guests at parties, family nights, or other celebrations. What we like? This upgraded 22-piece kit offers an even broader range of tools for 5 different sushi types, perfect for both beginners and pros. It includes a reinforced sushi knife and various molds, making complex sushi styles accessible and fun. If you're looking for an extensive, versatile kit with enhanced tools to explore a wide variety of sushi creations, this comprehensive set is an excellent investment. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source. No reviews available from the provided source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.